Let's make creamy chicken poblano tacos. We're going to char 4 poblano peppers. While we're charring them, we're going to want to rotate them and check. We want to make sure that we don't see any whites. If they're white, they've been charred for too long. When they're completely charred, put them in a bowl, and we're going to cover them for about 5 to 10 minutes so they're easier to peel. Start to peel them. You can use your hands or a towel, whatever is easy for you. And then you can open them up to remove all the seeds. Now that we're finished, we're going to slice our peppers in half, and then we're going to slice them 1/4 of an inch thick. Now we're going to remove the kernels from your corn. I'm using white Mexican corn, but yellow is fine. Now place your corn in a deep pan. I'm using a wok. Then add enough water to cover. Then we're going to add epazote, or if you have cilantro, that's fine. Then season. When it comes to a boil, you want to reduce the heat and then reduce the water till there's a little less than 1/4 of water left in the pan. Then we're going to put it into a bowl. We're going to julienne 1 onion and thinly slice 2 garlic cloves. Now I'm going to butterfly my chicken breast, slice it into strips, and then into cubes. Now I'm going to season my cube chicken with some salt and pepper. Now that my pan is hot, I'm going to add in my chicken and spread it out evenly. When it's about 1/4 of the way cooked, add in your onion and garlic and cook together for about 10 minutes. Add in your poblanos and corn, then cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add in a cup of sour cream, or in this case I'm using Mexican cream. Mix well and cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now when everything is ready and seasoned, you can heat up your tortillas and make your tacos. And remember, buen provecho.